Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today because my order came in from Coffee Planner Mom. And this is the most beautiful order. I will say my friend Gail does PR for Coffee Planner Mom, and she has a code, Gail15, for 15% off. So I placed my order. I just need some summer kits. And let me just say that these colors of these kits are fantastic. And they are cut so well. Like everything is spot on. But these are the most beautiful kits because, you know, sometimes when you make an order, especially a big order, like the first sheet you get or the first sets of sheets you get will be really good and crisp and nice and be cut well. But then as it goes on, you know, things happen to their machines and whatever, and the color's not, you know, crisp and clear. But these, every single one of them are absolutely wonderful. So the first freebie I got is my friend Gail. She is the planning girl here on YouTube, and I will link her channel down below. And this is her spring cleaning freebie. So super cute, and the colors are just, they're just perfect. There's the $25 freebie. It says deck drinks, water plants, mow lawn, brain dump, emojis, gifts, and incorrect autocorrect are my most used forms of communication. And then the rain boots, super cute. And then here's the $50 freebie, which goes with this one. You can see the rain boots in there. And then I got the summer deco sheet, super cute. And then the first kit I got is the lemon drop kit. And I believe her kits are I think they're 4 pages each. But I did get some add-on sheets. So here is the first sheet with all the picture boxes, and then some functional boxes down at the bottom, some deco. But just look at the colors, they're so beautiful. And then here's the second sheet with all the boxes. You get the days of the week, some more boxes, some checklist boxes, some bullets, and then the last one is scripts, weekend banner, and some quotes. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then the next kit I got is the pink lemonade kit. But her stickers are so smooth and so wonderful. I like that her stickers also, you can lay the boxes different ways. You can layer her boxes. Her kits are big enough that I can use them both in my A5 and in my little pocket planner. Some of her scripts say birthday, important dinners, appointment, towel Tuesday, chores, trash night, and payday. And then this is the summer sunset kit. And then my favorite sheet is all the boxes. This sheet goes with, this is just an extra that goes along with this kit. And then here is the last sheet. This one is the Americana Kit. I got this one for the 4th of July, of course. Super cute. Those look like denim. And then this is the soft kit. I saw my friend Gail use this one and I really loved it. And then this kit is called the Bright Kit. Just look at those pretty colors. And then this is the Bright Kit Oops Extra. She must have thrown this one in. And then the last sheet. And then I got the deco sheet for the soft kit. I loved how my friend Gail used these in her planner. I got the Fireworks Deluxe sheet. And then another Fireworks Deluxe sheet. I got the half boxes for the soft kit. Half boxes for the pink lemonade kit. And then the half boxes for the lemon drop kit. So that is my order from Coffee Planner Mom. I will leave my friend Gail's YouTube channel down below. Go give her a follow. I will also leave her the Coffee Planner Mom her code so you can get 15% off. I will leave that down below in the comments as well. So I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.